What is Microsoft Excel and how is it really used? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that comes with a Microsoft Office suite of applications, which includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Access, Publisher, etc. Many people detest Excel, but fortunately, Excel isn't nearly as complicated as you are likely making it out to be. Microsoft Excel stands out as a dynamic application used around the world by different businesses of all sizes. How is it really used? Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and at companies from small to large. The functions in Excel covers categories such as math and trigonometry functions, statistical functions, engineering functions, financial functions, database functions, date and time, logical functions, lookup and reference functions, text functions, external functions, and many more. Amongst many uses of Excel are data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis, charting and graphing, programming, time and tax management, financial modeling, customer relationship management, that is CRM. Almost anything that needs to be organized can be done by Excel. And why must you learn Excel? The reason you must learn Excel include this. Excel is not just for making tables. You got to know that. Beyond creating tables, Excel can do so much more as organize data in an easy to navigate way. Do basic and complex mathematical functions so you don't have to. Turn piles of data into helpful graphics and charts. Analyze data and make forecasting predictions. Create, build, and edit pixelated images. Yes, creative use of Excel. It has such tool. There's a lot more to this amazing program that you probably even realized. And there's a use for it no matter what you do. It is more about problem solving in an organized manner than it is about rows of data. Second reason why you must learn Excel is that Excel helps you to get stuff done very fast. You really do want to get through your work efficiently, right? Then, in addition to organizing data, Excel is meant to save you time. Instead of adding up several data in columns manually, for example, Excel does the math for you, and you will be sure it is correct. But by using Excel, you will save a ton of time at your job, personal life, and it is guaranteed to be more accurate than something you could have done by hand. Number 3 reason why you must learn Excel. The knowledge of Excel will increase your salary and job prospect. Yes, you heard me well. Did you know that Excel know-how can instantly increase your job prospects as well as your starting salary? Excel is a transferable skill that any hiring manager understands is critical. Research shows that middle-skill job applicants who know Microsoft Excel make extra pay compared to their peers who don't know the program. Moreover, full-time employees in certain industries can see a starting salary bump of pay based on their knowledge and the skill of Excel. That is not something you can ignore, I know. And the number 4 reason that you must learn Excel is that no matter what your job is, Excel makes you better at it. Many people think accountants and bankers are the people that need Microsoft Excel. They aren't the only ones who rely on Excel. Scientists, engineers, teachers, business owners, graphic designers, and so many other people turn to Excel for help. Regardless of what you do in the office, chances are there is some way for Excel to be helping you do your job better. It is a matter of figuring out what that is. Do you want the gold star? I know you do. Excel can make you the most sought out for person in the office. You never know when your boss or colleagues need someone with some Excel know-how to work his or her magic. And that person could be you. In conclusion, I want you to know that Excel can feel a little intimidating. But once you start playing around, you will begin to become more comfortable and realize just how much easier it can make things for you. Get your start by mastering the tricks and tools, and you will be on the path to becoming a total Excel whiz in no time. To learn Microsoft Excel in an easy step-by-step way, watch my free tutorials on YouTube, or you can visit my website www.fiscus.com or my blog www.nigergraduateandstudent.org.ng. Bye-bye.